This is Science Week 29, Day 2. And we are going to take this a little bit further. Yesterday you talked about and learned about the sun and kind of observed the sun and did an experiment to see if you could figure out why maybe the sun appears so much brighter to us. You're going to read this text that is here called Stargazing. If you remember this little symbol right there, if you click on that, that will read the text to you. You can follow along. There is a highlighted section there. Make sure that you pay close attention to all of it, but particularly pay attention to that. After you've read the text, you're going to go on to the next page, and you are going to make a model of everything that you've learned. There is a video, and again, as always, the reason we put these teacher videos in there is for you to learn and for your help, for you to use. If you do not use that video and watch it, then you're not going to be able to do your project here, your model, as successfully. So you're going to make a model and that explains why our sun looks so much bigger than the other stars to us. And there are some things that you must have, the model must-haves in your model. Please make sure that you include these. You need a sun. You need other stars. You need to represent the earth. And you need something. You need to show somehow how something is brighter and something is maybe not as bright. And then you need a sentence to explain the model. All of this is in the directions that are in the video. So please pay attention to those. Submit a picture of your model right there. And that is it. That's it for day 2.